In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your team's schedule by using the app Join Homebase. Whether it's creating a new schedule or making adjustments on the fly, Homebase provides you with a user-friendly platform to streamline the scheduling process. Let's dive in and explore how to utilize this platform effectively. To start managing your team's schedule, make sure you're logged into Join Homebase. If you're a manager, initiate the scheduling process directly from your Homebase dashboard. Simply click on Build a Schedule from the Manager View tab. This feature provides a comprehensive overview and a starting point for creating a well-structured work schedule for your team. It's designed to simplify your workflow, allowing you to see all your scheduling options in one place. Alternatively, another method to access the scheduling feature is by navigating to the left side menu. Here, you simply click on Schedule. This approach is equally efficient and perhaps more familiar if you're accustomed to navigating the platform through the sidebar. Having multiple entry points to create a schedule ensures you can seamlessly integrate this task into your daily routine, no matter how you prefer to navigate through Homebase. Once you're within the scheduling area, it's time to select the employee you'd like to schedule. This step is crucial, as it provides the foundation for all subsequent actions. By focusing on individual employees, you can tailor the work schedule to meet the needs of each team member, ensuring a balanced workload and accommodating any particular requirements they might have. With the employee selected, the next step is to click on the plus icon corresponding to the date you want to arrange a shift. As you do this, you'll be prompted to input crucial details such as the specific time for the shift. Adding a shift note can be exceptionally useful here, as it allows you to include additional information such as special duties or changes for that particular day. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Add to confirm the shift. This ensures that you, the employee, and any relevant team members are on the same page regarding the work schedule. After you've set everything up, you should now see that shift appearing in the schedule. If for any reason you need to make adjustments, such as removing an entry, Homebase has streamlined this process. Simply right-click on the shift you wish to change, and you'll find the option to delete it. This functionality empowers you to maintain a clean and organized schedule, adapting swiftly to any changes your team might encounter. By incorporating these steps into your scheduling routine, you'll find Homebase to be an invaluable tool in efficiently managing your team. With its intuitive design and versatility, you can ensure a seamless and stress-free scheduling process. So, get started today and experience the ease of scheduling with Homebase.